now just a stock 50 millimeter 71 cc's, not 75 no more. Just getting broken, so I haven't even really cut with it. Everything I have is dull. Haven't been sharpening or doing anything. So anyway, I got this saw for like 400 bucks. Cut with it for like 30 minutes, and she died. She seized. It was an original XPW 75 cc's. So there's debate on that cylinder, but whatever. Now it has the 50 millimeter, not the 50.1 millimeter. Everybody wants to throw on these big bores. I've been told by several people, just go 50 millimeter. Can't beat the stock cylinders. They're expensive though. This is just like, I think this was like $26 for the cylinder. It's probably a Farmer Tech, which they've come a long way. They're not made in China. They are shipped and distributed from China, but they are sourced more than likely from Taiwan or Korea, something like that. They make good stuff. Like I said, come a long way. Cylinder looked really good when I was looking at it before I put it on here. That's a 32-inch bar, and it's a pain in the ass to sharpen. Like I said, I haven't been sharpening much of anything recently. I have been doing HVAC, refrigeration, my new job, so I haven't been cutting worth anything. But I just got this thing up and running. Time to sharpen and get cutting when it dries up. As you can see, it's pretty wet. Later.